honestly, it just works great. So this is a testimony about property tax exemption.
Is my private name
created by the common law right of contract.
How easy it was to set up the trust and to
Here's
operate.
proof of one of my trusts.
Notarized by the state. Christopher Lyons Trust.
EIN that has my first name and last name.
Declaration of trust that is copyrighted by.
Thank you so much, Jack, for your work.
This weight fell off my shoulders.
My first name, last name.
Really help us become fully free and independent as we should be.
Jack and Liberty Aid and others have made possible.
It is literally bulletproof.
Our loan, our EDIL loan.
I follow the step-by-step instructions, which are
how it has already transformed my life.
Use of Liberty Aids was their debt removal package.
And I got my trust document. Today
I purchased a mastery trust.
Able to process what they called an account ownership.
John's been with me every step of the way.
Filled it out. Very, very, very simple.
Everything I've got is in trust. Everything.
I opened up the Bulletproof Trust in Canada.
IRS EIN number, paper.
Simple it was for me to open up an irrevocable trust.
Jack's stuff works.
So thank you so much, Liberty Aid Academy. It's really helped me.
I set up the EIN as you recommended. That took about 5 minutes.
Thank you to Jack McKay for his Liberty Aid program.
I created my first name, last name trust.
Got the bank accounts all set up.
Best move that we've ever made in our lives.